welcome to WOXO once again. This is your host, Belle, as always. And just to give you some exciting news, but ready for some cool updates? Okay, well, since you've been asking for some customization features and some textile related customizations, we really heard your feedback. So here are some cool customizations that we've added. They're like textile / transitions. This will make your videos look super awesome. Like, look at this. They look so good. Well, let me know if you have tried them, if you're excited for them, and all the good, the bad, and the, I don't know, anything else? We really love hearing your feedback. And that's all for today, but get ready because more features are coming and some exciting news. Ready? Have an amazing day. Bye bye.